Okay, this is how my day is starting. I'm starting off at the Home Depot. I always found it funny that we just call it Home Depot instead of the Home Depot. And people get mad at me whenever I call the internet instead of internet. So we're walking up to Home Depot. So I just finished shopping at the Home Depot. It was too complicated to do video in there while I'm shopping. But one of the things I did find out is they don't have some of the stuff I need, like cables. They don't have anything 4 gauge, it's only special order. And the other thing that they didn't have was grommets, because I got to drill through the firewall tomorrow, and I need a grommet to protect the wire from chafing and stuff like that. So let's go into the van. So the end of the story here right now is I did get back to where I want to park my van, and I didn't get the grommets. And I was talking about working on Will's truck today, but it's going to rain again. You can tell by the cloudy skies and stuff like that, or the lighting right now. It is going to rain today. But I'm going to do some inside work. I'm going to work on some of the cables. I got some washers to make the cables fit better on the distribution blocks and stuff like that. So everything's going to work out. And I'll get back to you guys. So you can see right here, I actually had to take the washers. I took 2 washers and I sandwiched in this big ol' like 4 gauge cable. The reason being, because it was too loose. You know, it wasn't made for that, I don't think. But I don't need a bigger bar or something like that. I'm not putting that much electricity through it. But I thought that would do the cost. And you can see it is stable in there. You know, nothing rocking and rolling and stuff like that. So I'm glad I did get the washers. So that's the distribution bus right there. And then that wire is going into a 90 amp circuit breaker, which then goes to where the batteries are going to hook up to. Okay, a change of plans. Since it was about to rain and Will had to work on his big old van here, which is actually a box truck more than a van. You can see it right here. It's an E450. It's so huge, but we're replacing the manifold on it right now. And of course, I didn't have anything really to do because I didn't want to go in the van and start putting the electric in yet, because I'm still missing a couple pieces. So we'll see what happens with the rest of today. Just got back from working on Will's truck. And it's starting to rain right now, so I think I'm done for the day. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow when I actually bring my van. We'll drive my van over there with a lot more stuff. And I'm going to do some work on the van too. Like I got to drill through the firewall, run the electrical for the DC to DC charger. And also, I got to throw the batteries in there. This is going to be a big day. But we'll see what happens soon.